What's good, y'all? So today I'm going to show you how you can import your edited photos from the Lightroom mobile over to your desktop. Let's get it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it simple, straight to the point. When you open up the Lightroom app, go to the photos that you're wanting to transfer over to your desktop. So for me, I basically want to transfer these graffiti pictures. Love the pictures, by the way. Go ahead and check out my Instagram to look at the photos. It was a time, okay? I need to go back and take some photo shoots. But anyways, in the upper right-hand corner, click these three dots, hit select. From there, you can select the photos that you're wanting to transfer. You can do one by one, or if you just want all of them, you know, hit all of them. I'm just gonna hit recent since I literally want all of these photos. From there, at the bottom, hit import. And then you have two options, import into Lightroom and then import and add Lightroom album. So for me, I want to import and add to Lightroom album. This is going to go into my Texas album. If you didn't want to, you can just hit import to Lightroom. But if you did want to add an album or add it to, you know, another album that you already have, click the second option. So add from here, if you have multiple atoms. From here, if you have multiple albums, you'll go ahead and select whatever album that you want it to go to, or if you want to create a new one, hit the plus sign, create a new album or create a new folder, and then you can import it that way. For me, like I said, I want it to go into my Texas album, so I'm gonna hit that and hit import. So it's gonna start doing the little sync. It's syncing, and we're gonna go over to the desktop. On the desktop, over here in my collections, this is my Texas album. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my collections, and then as you can see, it's slowly going to import the photos. And depending on your connection, how many photos and videos you have, it may take a while or it may take a second. So just wait, give it a moment. All right, so it's probably been about a minute now, and you can see right here are my graffiti photos. It's still trickling in. That's basically essentially it. We're not gonna wait for all of them to import, but that is how you do it. Basically the rundown, open up your Lightroom mobile app, find the photos that you want to move over, click the three dots in the right hand corner, select the photos that you want to move, hit import. You have the two options, select which option you want, transfer, boom, bada bang. Wait a couple minutes and there you go. So hope it helps. I'm out.